Hello, we're in Nessebar Old Town and we're at Cafe Caprice. Let's go and have an afternoon snack and a beer. So we're at Cafe Caprice. Maybe I'll get a drink here. Time for a pit stop. Right, here's a bit of history of Nessebar while I decide what to eat and drink. So I've got a beer, 5 lev, so that's $2.50 English money for a draft beer pint. It was what was it? It was a fast beer draft. There we go. We do wine and that. Bulgarian nuts. Sandwiches are a bit expensive here. Maybe I'll just get a beer and I'll go to another place. They do a pizza over there opposite me. Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. Right, while I was looking around and looking at the menu, I was deciding what to eat and I finally made my mind up. What do you think I ordered? Right, I decided to get a chocolate pancake, 120 grams for 6 lev. Let's see if it's any good. Well, you don't know unless you buy something and try it, do you? Right, I'll order one. Here we are, I'm having a pancake. Chocolate pancake with a beer. Bulgarian beer. So the pancake's 6 lev and the beer was 5 lev. So that's what? $5.50. $5.50 English money. So it's not bad, is it? They do toasted sandwich, but it's 11 lev. I thought that was quite expensive, so I gave that a miss. But hey, let's eat this and see what it tastes like. Looks quite nice. Pancake. A Bulgarian pancake. Look at that picture of that cat. That's different, isn't it? Right. I'll cut it up a bit and then we'll do a little review on it. Right, I just had a bit. It's absolutely delicious. I'll film me eating this bit then. Oh, that's nice. Nice and soft and hot. Got chocolate in it. Sugar. Can't say I've ever had a chocolate pancake before. So they do one, a chocolate, a jam or a honey one. Then they do one with yellow cheese, smoked salmon. 2 pancakes with chocolate and banana. Ice cream, nuts cream. Hawaii one with jam, fruits, ice cream. Or they do a toffee one. Kuchen. German toffee banana. Lovely. They do waffles. All good stuff, eh? So I might come back here another day. It's only 2 lev on the bus. I just came here for a day out. I'm quite impressed with it here, so I might come back here another day. The weather's lovely today. I mean, look at that blue sky. Look, there's no clouds now. They're completely gone. So it's like a nice little sun trap here. There's no wind. A beer and a pancake. What more can you want? I could do with a nice big steak right now, but I'm not sure where they do them. I'd have to look around. That's why I might have to come back here another day. Maybe we'll have that next time we come here. We'll treat ourselves, have a day out, another day out here. Anyway, that pancake was a bit tiny, but it was banging. That was spot on. Oh, it was so good I could eat another one. But like I said, I'm probably going to go back to my hotel soon and eat there. So I'll probably come back here another day and we'll get a meal somewhere around here. There's loads of restaurants and cafes here. So if I had to give that a rating, I'd give that about... can't really fault that. I'm going to give that top marks, 10 out of 10. And this beer's nice as well. It's got a lovely taste. Look how quick I'm drinking it. Look, blimey, I'm going to break the record here. You know what I'm like, I normally take an hour. I've only been drinking that 10 minutes. 10, 20, 30 minutes. 20 minutes. It'll all be gone. Right, so there you go. That's it for this video. It's only a little one. So, if you like this video, click the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, Johnny Vlogger UK. Share, hit the bell, and from the old Nessebar town in Bulgaria, it's goodbye. Oh yeah, and from the Cafe Caprice, that's where I am. There you go, it's got like flowers and that, and a little cat picture. It's near the Turkish coffee shop, and is that like a waterfall or something? And an old wrecked church, and Storia Ravek. There you go. One of many places you can eat and that. There's loads of shops to buy food around here. You're spoilt for choice. Right, bye. I'll see you in the next one.